Today, I'm going to show you behind these beautiful white flowers blowing in the wind, the American White Pelican. I'm going to start out with showing you their amazing wingspans right here on the Mississippi River. I came down here to downtown Davenport. That is the Centennial Bridge over there. It's always so pretty when the sun's shining on it. But what I came down here to see are the pelicans. The water is running really fast here. This is Lock and Dam 15 on the Mississippi River. It is the largest roller dam in the world. I'll put a link below with more information. But the pelicans love coming here because the rollers churn up the water, which stuns the fish, and it makes it easier for the pelicans to catch fish. I thought I would end this video with these beautiful pelicans soaring through the air. They fly so effortlessly, it's just beautiful. Thank you for watching.